so you know, last year, I made over $300,000. The other guy you'll be working for, he made over $1 million.
$1 million? I can only imagine what a douchebag that guy must be.
Blobby Jelly, that's my boy.
Yes, sir.
Mark Hanna.
Well, pleasure to meet you.
And you as well. I see you've already met the village asshole.
Smile and dial, and don't pick up your fucking head until 1.
Fuck him. I'm the senior broker here. He's just a worthless pipe.
Why don't you blow me, Hannah?
Now, did you really pitch a stock in your job interview?
I had to do something to stand out, right, sir?
I fucking love that. Lunch today.
Yeah.
We don't start dialing at 9:30 because our clients are already answering the phone. 3, 2, 1, let's fuck!
You want to know what money sounds like? Fuck this, shit that, cunt, cock, asshole. I couldn't believe how these guys talk to each other. I was hooked in seconds. It was like mainlining adrenaline.
Yeah, fuckface. Look at where the stock's at today, huh?
You can't get anywhere. At 44. Pick up the cocksucking phone.
Sorry,
Mark's been great as well.
You're such a fucking douchebag, Hannah.
We don't give two shits about how technology works, because all we care about is getting fucking rich. Solid. Jordan 2000. Jerry Folk.
Mr. Hanna, what can I bring for you on this glorious afternoon?
Well, Hector, here's the game plan. You're gonna bring us 2 absolute martinis. You know how I like them, straight up. And then precisely 7 1/2 minutes after that, you're gonna bring us 2 more. Then 2 more after that, every 5 minutes until one of us passes the fuck out.
Excellent strategy, sir.
I'm good with water for now, though. Thank you.
This is first day on
Grand Exchange.
Give him time. Thank you.
Mr. Hanna, you're able to do drugs during the day and still function, still do your job?
How the fuck else would you do this job? Cocaine and hookers, my friend.
Right. I gotta say, I'm incredibly excited to be a part of your firm. I mean, the clients you have are absolutely...
Fuck the clients. Your only responsibility is to put meat on the table. Name of the game? Move the money from your client's pocket into your pocket.
Right, but if you can make the clients money at the same time, it's advantageous to everyone, correct?
No. Number 1 rule.
Of the Grand Exchange.
Nobody.
Don't care if you're Zima or if you are Mada.
Nobody knows if the stock is gonna go up, down, sideways, or in fucking circles. Least of all stockbrokers. Think about it. You're dealing with numbers all day long. Decimal points, high frequencies, bang, bang, bang. Fucking digits. All very acidic, above the shoulders mustard shit. All right? It kind of can wig some people out. Right? Stay with me. We don't create shit. We don't build anything.
No.
So if you got a client who bought stock at 8 and it now sits at 16 and he's all fucking happy, he wants to cash in, liquidate, take his fucking money and run home, you don't let him do that, because that would make it real. No, what do? You get another brilliant idea, a special idea, another situation, another stock to reinvest his earnings and then some. And he will every single time, because they're fucking addicted. And then you just keep doing this again and again and again. Meanwhile, he thinks he's getting shit rich, which he is on paper. But you and me, the brokers, we're taking home cold hard cash via commission, motherfucker.
Right.
No.
It's incredible, sir. Can't tell you how excited I am.
You should be.